Alright guys, welcome back. This is stage 2 of the Bronx Enduro Games. So first off, it's a tight turn track and the grass is still pretty slick, so just be careful out there. Another thing, there's also quite a lot of irrigation ditches. We are going to mark them out, but just watch the video and be mindful of them when you're hitting the track. Here's the first ditch, and then there's another small one that you can just bump over. This section is pretty fast, and then it goes over a little ditch into a muddy corner. Over here it's pretty slick on the grass, and over here there's another ditch. And very important to clinch your bike with your knees and legs, otherwise you'll do Superman. And my bike stalled out in or just before the ditch, but this one's pretty gnarly. You definitely want to hit that one with speed and just pop over it. And this is the last little jump or danger section. There was a little steenbokkie that ran out in front of us, so we had to slow down, but you can catch some proper air on that one. And then it's just smooth corners from here. Pretty slick grass. Hopefully after the event the trail will be properly bedded in. And then just when you pass the tree, you're going to turn right on the inside of the bank and then pop back out onto it. Then it's full speed. There's nothing that'll catch you out on this little double track, so you can hone it over here. And then just when you pass this tree, it's time to start slowing down, because you're going to hit a right hand corner into a little bit of a technical rocky section. We tried our best to move all the shitty rocks out of the way, but yeah, this is the technical spot for this enduro test or stage or whatever. Not too bad. Zane and his GoPro Hero 7 makes it look nice and smooth. Quick little straight section with almost a 180-degree hairpin turn. Now this section over here, it's a fast section. There's still some bumps on this corner right here, but we did try our best to remove all the lurkers, but there might still be some. And that is the end of stage 2.